Good morning to all of you. I am Mr. Amit Sheikh is here. I teach you science. Now, today I will teach you the first lesson as plant nutrition. The definition of the nutrition is like this. The process to which an organism prepares food and utilizes it to gain energy is called nutrition. What do you mean by nutrition? That the process to which an organism prepares food and utilizes it to gain energy is called nutrition. Do you understood? Okay. Now, after that, depending on the modes of nutrition, that is methods of obtaining food. Modes of nutrition means methods of obtaining food. Organisms are classified into two parts. That is, depending on the modes of nutrition, organisms are classified into two parts. First is as autotrophs or autotrophic nutrients. The second one is heterotrophs or heterotrophic nutrients. Like this is all about the plant nutrition in short. Now we will go ahead of that. अरे यार बंद करके चलेंगे, समझ में नहीं आता. Now we will discuss the two parts, that is, first is autotrophs and the second one is heterotrophs. Now we will study one by one in detail. First is autotrophs. Organisms, what is the definition of autotrophs? Organisms that are capable to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis using carbon dioxide, water and sunlight are called as autotrophs. Now, I will repeat it again. The definition of the autotrophs is as organisms that are capable to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis using carbon dioxide, water and sunlight are called as autotrophs. For example, all green plants. Now, we will discuss about the second one, that is about heterotrophs. What do you mean by heterotrophs? Heterotrophs means organisms which are not capable to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis and depend on other organisms for their food are called as heterotrophs. For example, all non-green plants, animals and including human beings are the examples of heterotrophs. Now after that, we will study about the various organisms as follows. First is parasites. What do you mean by parasites, or what are parasites? Organisms, plants or animals which live on or inside another organism and take their food from other organisms are called parasites. These plants depend completely on other plants for their food and nutrition. Example of parasite is as Cuscuta plant. Cuscuta is a yellow colored parasite plant. It does not have chlorophyll, so cannot prepare its own food by the process of photosynthesis. It takes food from another plant over which it climbs. Cuscuta plant is a tube-like source which tightly curls around the host plant to obtain all the nutrition it needs. Since Cuscuta plant cannot prepare its food and depends on host plant, therefore it has heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now the second one is saprophyte. What do you mean by saprophyte? Saprophytes are the organisms which draw food material from the decomposed matter of the dead remains on other organisms. What do you mean by dead remains? Means the plant as well as the animals which when they are dead, they are thrown outside. These are called as a dead remains. Now the definition of the saprophyte is as follows. Saprophytic plants are non-green plants which draw their food from the decomposed leftover matter of dead plants and organisms. Example of saprophyte is fungi, etc., etc.